Welcome to Best 5 Products. The best shelf pins is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential components in organizing any space, whether it's a home, office, or workshop. These small but mighty pieces of hardware are the unsung heroes that hold up your shelves, ensuring your books, decor, tools, and supplies are securely stored and beautifully displayed. Without the right shelf pins, your shelving units can become unstable, unsafe, and ultimately, ineffective. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of shelf pins to help you find the perfect ones that offer durability, style, and the peace of mind that comes with a well-organized and secure environment. Get ready to elevate your storage solutions. Number 5. Mr. Pen Nail Assortment Kit. Introducing the Mr. Pen Nail Assortment Kit, your go-to solution for all your hanging needs. This comprehensive set provides a variety of sizes to tackle any project. With 600 nails in 4 distinct sizes, you'll have the perfect fastener for every task. From small frames to larger projects, these nails are designed for versatility. Crafted for quality, these nails are built to last. They are sturdy and straight, ensuring they won't bend unnecessarily when hammered, providing reliable performance. Experience effortless results with nails that are sharp enough to penetrate surfaces with ease. Achieve satisfying outcomes for all your DIY and repair jobs. The included kit keeps your nails neatly separated by size, making your work much more efficient. Find the right nail quickly and easily every time. Perfect for general repairs, woodworking, and hanging pictures. These versatile fasteners are essential for any toolbox, ensuring you're always prepared. What we like. This set offers a generous quantity of nails in multiple sizes, ensuring you have the right one for various tasks. They are made from high-quality material that resists bending, providing a sturdy and reliable experience. If you're looking for a comprehensive and durable solution for hanging pictures or general repairs, this is an excellent choice. What people say. These shelf pins are made of sturdy metal and feel very durable. The design is simple and clean, fitting perfectly into my existing shelving unit. Installation was a breeze, just push them in and they hold securely. Number 4. 5mm Shelf Pegs Pins, Cabinet Furniture Support. Introducing our reliable shelf peg pins, designed to provide sturdy support for your cabinets and furniture. These are perfect for adding extra shelving or replacing old, worn-out supports. With a precise 5mm diameter, these pegs are engineered to fit snugly into your pre-drilled holes. Ensure a secure and stable fit for all your shelving needs. Crafted with a durable nickel-plated finish, these supports are built to last. They offer excellent resistance to wear and tear, maintaining their look and function over time. Ideal for a variety of furniture, including cabinets, wardrobes, and bookcases. Easily enhance your storage solutions by adding or replacing shelf supports. Each package contains 60 spoon-shaped shelf pins, providing ample supply for multiple projects. You'll have plenty to secure all your shelves. Please measure your pre-drilled holes before buying to ensure compatibility. Hole sizes can vary, so confirm you need the 5mm size for a perfect fit. What we like. These shelf pegs are specifically designed for cabinets with 5mm pre-drilled holes and feature a convenient spoon shape. They are ideal for adding extra shelves or replacing lost supports in your furniture. If you have cabinets with 5mm holes and need a straightforward solution for shelf support, these are a great option. What people say. These shelf pins are very sturdy and well-made, perfect for holding up heavy shelves. The design of these shelf pins is sleek and modern. They look great in my new bookcase. Installation was a breeze. The pins fit snugly into the pre-drilled holes without any wobbling. Number 3. POWERTEC QP1106 14-inch Shelf Pegs. Introducing the POWERTEC QP1106 Shelf Pegs, your ideal solution for sturdy shelving. This pack includes 100 pieces of 1/4-inch spoon-shaped pins. Installation is a breeze. Simply push them into your 1/4-inch shelf holes by hand. No complex tools are required for a secure fit. Crafted from premium stainless steel with a polished nickel finish, these pegs are built for heavy-duty use. They offer a reliable and long-lasting support function for your shelves. These pegs are perfect for various shelving needs, from supporting entertainment units and cabinets to bookshelves. They also serve as excellent replacement parts for furniture like IKEA Billy shelves. Featuring a flat spoon shape with a stop, These shelf pegs combine functionality with a clean aesthetic. They provide a secure and stylish way to hold your shelves in place. What we like? With 100 pieces and a durable stainless steel construction, these 1/4-inch shelf pegs are built for heavy-duty support. They are easy to install by hand and perfect for various applications like kitchen cabinets and bookshelves. If you need reliable, long-lasting shelf support for your furniture and appreciate a tool-free installation, these are the ones to consider. What people say. These shelf pins are made of sturdy metal, ensuring durability and a strong hold for shelves. The design is simple yet effective, with a smooth finish that doesn't snag or damage the shelf material. They fit perfectly into standard shelf holes, providing a secure and stable platform for displaying items. Number 2. Swpeet 120 PCS 4 Style Shelf Pins Kit. Discover our premium shelf pins, crafted from durable iron with a nickel-plated finish. They are built to last and provide reliable support for your furniture. This kit offers 4 distinct styles of shelf support pins to perfectly match your needs. You'll find bracket, spool, cylindrical, and dowel pin options. These versatile supports are ideal for cabinets, entertainment centers, and bookcases. They are designed to fit 5mm and 6mm shelf holes, ensuring a perfect fit for most furniture. Our unique L-shaped design ensures these pins stay firmly in place. They engage the side of the shelf, preventing accidental falls and providing stable support. Everything comes neatly organized in a convenient plastic box for easy storage and access. Simply choose the right pin for your shelf holes, ensuring a snug fit for optimal performance. For a secure fit, the shelf holes should match or be slightly smaller than the pin diameter. These supports are designed for 5mm and 6mm cabinet holes, offering a reliable solution. What we like? This kit provides a variety of 4 different styles of shelf pins, including a unique L-shaped design that ensures a secure fit in both 5mm and 6mm holes. They are made from durable, nickel-plated iron for longevity. If you appreciate having multiple options and a design that prevents pins from falling out, this versatile kit is perfect for your needs. What people say. The shelf pins are sturdy and hold the shelves securely. These shelf pins are a perfect fit for my IKEA shelves. The design of these shelf pins makes them easy to install. Number 1. 104 PCS Shelf Pins Kit. Introducing our 104-piece shelf pins kit, designed to meet all your shelving needs. This comprehensive set offers a variety of styles to support your cabinets, bookshelves, and furniture. Crafted from high-quality zinc alloy with a polished nickel finish, these supports are built for durability. Their smooth surfaces ensure a safe and long-lasting solution for your storage. You'll receive a total of 104 pieces in 4 distinct styles. This includes L-shaped pins, dowel pins, flat spoon brackets, and cylindrical cabinet pins, ensuring you have the right fit for any project. These supports are designed to fit perfectly into cabinets with 5mm and 1/4-inch holes. Please ensure your cabinet holes match or are slightly smaller than the specified diameters for a secure fit. Easily install them by hand in various settings such as cabinets, bookshelves, wardrobes, and display units. They are ideal for organizing your kitchen, closet, and any furniture requiring shelves. Please be aware that these are small parts. Keep them away from children to ensure safety. What we like? This comprehensive kit includes 104 pieces across 4 styles, designed to fit both 5mm and 1/4-inch cabinet holes. Made from high-quality zinc alloy with a smooth nickel finish, they offer durability and a clean look. If you need a wide range of options for different shelf sizes and appreciate a sturdy, well-finished product, this kit is an excellent choice for your home or closet. What people say. These shelf pins are made of sturdy metal and feel very durable. The design is simple and clean, fitting seamlessly into my existing shelving unit. Installation was a breeze. They just push into the pre-drilled holes and hold shelves securely. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.